Hello guys, tutorial tayo. So, tutorial natin ngayon is for ZD Soft Screen Recorder 10.1.1. Crack version ito. So, kaya may password. Use it at your own risk. So, yun lang. So, ito yung download link once na ma-download ninyo. So, extract lang ninyo. Extract files and then enter nyo yung password. Tapos mag-extract, open yung folder, run yung installer, click next, accept, next, typical, install. Meron ding how to install dito, pwede nyo basahin. So basically nasa first part lang tayo. So hintayin nyo lang mag-install and then once na matapos mag-install, kailangan natin gamitin yung keygen para ma-register yung software. So hintayin lang natin siya mag-install. Okay, once tapos na, click nyo lang yung finish, open yung keygen, then run as administrator.